Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Bluestacks on a MacBook Air. Let's begin. To play mobile games and use mobile apps on your Mac, you need an Android emulator like Bluestacks. It's one of the most popular options because it lets you customize your entire Android experience. First, open your browser and search for Bluestacks. Click on the first official website. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, you'll see the option to download the DMG file for macOS directly. But if you're using an Apple Silicon Mac like M1, M3, or M4, just like I'm using the M4 chip, then you need to follow a different step. Click on the BlueStacks logo or icon at the top. This will redirect you to BlueStacks Air, which is made for Apple Silicon devices. Now click on Download BlueStacks. It should only take a few seconds. The installer will appear in your Downloads folder. Just double-click the installer and follow the setup wizard to complete the installation. When you open BlueStacks for the first time, it will ask for a few permissions, like access to your local network. Allow them, and you're good to go. Next, click on the Home button at the bottom right of the screen. Open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. After that, you can start downloading apps and games from the Play Store. You can also customize your settings like frame rate, display resolution, and even choose the mobile device you want to emulate. Thank you for watching.